The way you all drive, you're gonna get someone killed. Get out of the way. Hey. Oh damn. You trying to hit me? Aren't you even looking where you're going? Oh damn. Why are you honking and acting tough? You're acting so arrogant on my turf? Where are you going? I can go wherever I want. Are you my boss? Hey you big truck. Get out of the way first. Let me go first, okay? Hey, move. Hey, what are you making me throw? Can't hear. Hey. Oh damn. Okay, I give up, alright? Driving like you guys, who the hell are you hurting? Yeah, don't hurt me. See me and get out of the way. Ouch. Is that your bag? You are, what am I saying? Oh damn. I said, why doesn't this driver watch the road? Ouch, it hurts my wrist. Pay up. That electric bike lady just violated traffic rules. And she's playing the victim. And then another electric bike woman going the wrong way appears. She gave the video car a big blow. Oh yeah, I saw a snap. The hood of the video car was lifted up a big chunk. And then various electric bike performers put on a show. I'll go first. Oh yeah. Where does my sword go? Love and hate, regret is hard to avoid. Who won't let my blade cut through the sky? Right and wrong, understand, but don't move. I'm drunk, a blur. Gratitude and resentment are illusions, emptiness. I wake up from a spring dream. Life and death, everything becomes empty. Coming in a hurry. Going in a hurry, regret not being able to meet. Love comes in a hurry, hate comes in a hurry. Everything laughs with the wind. A long sigh, a joy. A lifetime of sorrow, a lifetime. Who will share life and death with me? Coming and going in haste, departing in haste. Regret not being able to meet. Love, a night of intoxication, finally becomes a sword, laughing wildly with the wind. A long sigh, a moment of joy, a lifetime of sorrow, a lifetime. Who will share life and death with me? Many people always like to get road rage and lose their temper while driving. Driving with this mindset is really not good for you. Look at this car on the right. He wants to change lanes. Our car owner didn't let him. Actually, there's no need to let him. You can't even do the most basic standard operations. Turn signal, see if he signaled or not. Is there enough distance? Under these circumstances, you try to change lanes and cut others off. They won't let you, and you're still angry? The owner of the big truck didn't pay much attention. Just driving normally. It's just that he didn't give way to that lane-changing vehicle just now. This lane-changing vehicle is behind us and is crossing the solid line to the left. Should have changed lanes long ago. Our driver entered the middle lane. And then he immediately came over and hit us. This behavior is obviously intentional. Our driver is definitely not responsible. The other party must bear full responsibility. Everyone, when driving, you must have a good attitude. Never get road rage. Let's look at the second case. You often encounter vehicles in front on the road. Now he's overtaking by borrowing a lane. Overtaking the electric bicycle in front. This electric bicycle, look, there's a lane for it on the right. He doesn't go there. He insists on going into this middle motor lane. This is very unsafe for him. It's also unsafe for us. But what can you do when you meet someone like this? You can only follow behind. This has indeed affected traffic. The driver also honked the horn, but the other party ignored him. As a result, the driver kept honking. Okay, now the other person turns their head and looks at you. They don't move either. It's because you've been honking. It made them uncomfortable. But at first, you were honking just fine. They didn't pay any attention. The car owner's idea is actually very simple. It's all about reminding you to pull over and pay attention to safety. In the middle of this, it does affect traffic. It's also not safe. When you encounter this type of person riding an electric bike, I suggest everyone, if you've honked a few times, and they don't pay attention to you, I suggest you still not keep honking. Because you've met this kind of person. They're just that kind of person. Your actions won't change their mind. But if you really honk or keep honking, those with bad tempers, if something happens, it's really just a mess for yourself. Third, following the vehicle in front enters the roundabout. The vehicle in front, it changes lanes to the right, crossing the line, then suddenly comes back. But the car owner didn't really notice this either. Do you think this is a rear-end collision? Or is it his lane change that's the problem? The fourth one, traffic jam ahead. The right side is a bus lane. I don't know if it's possible to drive there at this time, but there is a vehicle on the right. At this moment, another car comes up on the right. Regardless of whether he can go, he's already come up. Then you have to be prepared. It's very likely they're going to change lanes. At this moment, you need to start thinking about whether to let them or not. The vehicles on the right just come over, but our car owner is not wrong either. Anyway, it's still that law. As long as there's a traffic jam, someone can't wait. They want to cut in line or change lanes. Fifth, the right side is the downhill exit of the overpass. Look, there's a car on the right. He put on his right turn signal. After he came over, he changed lanes into our lane. After changing one lane, he started to change into the second lane again. Hey, buddy, you even put your turn signal on wrong. You put on your right turn signal and changed lanes to the left. Changing one lane isn't enough. You changed two lanes. Sixth one, a ride-hailing vehicle in front left turned on its turn signal. It's also changing lanes continuously, resulting in the other party being fully responsible. The other party's ride-hailing vehicle, but it's not a regular one. The insurance company won't pay either. Our car owner, the Audi's headlight probably isn't cheap. Watch out, there's a tricycle coming up ahead. What's going on? The car owner doesn't dare to move when he sees this situation. I said, Uncle, what's going on? What are you preparing to do? If it's a scam, you don't need to be so obvious. Look at the uncle's hand. What does it mean? You don't want me to crash into it, do you? Prepare to turn right here, a small uphill slope. Let's take a look at the car owner's operation. Oh, can't make it up. Oh my god. Not a car owner, huh? Can't you show some respect for our cars? The gas prices aren't even that high now. Waiting at the traffic light. Now both sides can go straight. We know we need to stay away from big trucks on the road. Just at this moment. Look, a big truck on the left. It just pushed a car over. Oh my goodness. If the big car didn't change lanes, then it's the small car's problem. Pay attention to the blue van ahead. He's about to change lanes to the left at this spot. There's a vehicle coming straight in the left lane, but he turned on his turn signal. But look at how this guy changes lanes. You have to make sure you see clearly even if you use your turn signal. The car on the right is about to reverse. There's also a car ahead that's about to start driving. This should be someone they know, right? And then this car on the right. Look at how he's reversing. Is it a technical issue? Or what's the problem? I don't understand. If you reverse like this, you could be in big trouble. It seems the insurance company won't cover the situation. Someone you know, right? Pay attention to the tricycle crossing the road ahead. That small car ahead will definitely pass. Shall we hitch a ride? Definitely not. Oh my goodness. In this situation, I can only say the car owner is really unlucky. What do you say to avoiding this? The Audi ahead. Look at how this is being driven. The car owner honked to warn him. Regardless of whether it worked, it did some good. Anyway, isn't this overpass scary? If there were no guardrails, this guy would probably be finished. There's an intersection on the right ahead, and then there's a downhill slope here. After our car owner came down, a big truck came out on the right. Whoa, quickly give way. Oh my. Luckily, it was a close call. This big truck came out from here. You can't just rush out like that. And this place is also downhill. If it were carrying some cargo, it's over if it can't brake. The red light in front will turn green soon. Starting to go. Look, a battery-powered bike just came rushing up on the right. At this moment, our driver clearly started moving. The driver saw him, but I don't know if the driver... How are you even driving like this? The driver, this is your mistake. Although the battery-powered bike is in the motor vehicle lane, but you were too careless. There's a car coming out in front. The car on the right, you see him constantly braking, but he just can't stop. Are you unable to brake, or is your brake overheating? It's impossible to not be able to stop from this distance. Everyone's messed up. Didn't I tell you? I'm going left on this road. Want to ask for directions? Are you the one who owns the road? Why aren't you thinking of yourself? Hello everyone. Welcome to Driving Master. At 10 o'clock, go towards Wuzonku. Miss the people in the southwest and go to Jibankyo. Oh. I said, why did you park your car here? Did you miss your exit? Missed the exit. I have now arrived at. About to exit the highway. Exiting the highway. Really? Without notification. Hey, it's bad. Fortunately, I didn't miss the highway exit. Hey, I'm taking this exit, and it's all messed up on the side of the road. Oh. Oh. Holy cow, holy cow, holy cow, holy cow. Seriously, holy cow. This one car caused this. Why can't that car be penalized? Let's look at this car that missed the exit, leading to a series of rear-end collisions. Next, the female driver stops in the overtaking lane, bringing endless disaster to others. We see her stopping the car in the innermost overtaking lane of the highway, causing the cars behind to be immediately alarmed. One crashed directly with the SUV into the emergency lane. Yet, this female driver still doesn't realize that she's made a huge mistake. She even went to the front to watch the excitement. Her attitude is also very indifferent. What's unexpected is that a terrifying scene suddenly appears. Many cars behind couldn't brake in time and crashed into each other. However, the accident didn't end there. A large truck behind saw the situation was bad, chose to brake suddenly, but the front of the red car immediately following was flattened. The black SUV that followed closely slammed into it, and was instantly forced to stop. While speaking, another SUV crashed again, and added another blow. And the culprit who caused all this, the female driver, actually wanted to run away. I saw her taking advantage of the chaos at the scene, wanting to escape quickly. But unexpectedly, after being caught by the traffic police, her attitude was extremely arrogant. Didn't I say? I went to that place. I didn't know how to go. I want to ask for directions. What did I do wrong? Didn't I tell you? Do I go left on this road? I want to ask for directions. Do you own the road? Don't you think for yourself? What about the cars behind? The female driver just caused endless suffering to others. Not only did she not feel any remorse, but she was also very overbearing. And various emergencies on the highway sometimes are really hard to predict. Did you all see that? Never miss the highway exit at will. No one? Oh, I'm really defeated by you people who miss the highway exits. Hi everyone, welcome to Follow Driving Master. One episode every day. Show you all kinds of driving experts on the road. And the bizarre fresh things that have just happened. Let you gain experience in driving. Drive more safely. Don't forget to like, comment, and share after watching. Let more people learn lessons and experience. Follow Driving Master together. Let's go. Hey, don't forget to share it out. Long press to like and subscribe with one click. Love you all. Thank you.